In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Coinbase Pro to CoinTracker. By the end, you'll have your Coinbase Pro activity flowing into CoinTracker so your portfolio and tax reports stay accurate and up to date. Start by opening CoinTracker and heading to your portfolio page. If you're not already signed in, log in first so you can access your dashboard. From the top navigation, go to the Wallets section. This is where you connect exchanges and wallets so CoinTracker can track everything in one place. On the Wallets page, click Add Wallet. A search box will appear. Type Coinbase Pro into the search field so you can find the correct integration. When you see Coinbase Pro in the results, click it to continue. For Coinbase Pro, CoinTracker uses a CSV import. That means you'll first download your transaction data from the Coinbase Pro Statements page. Open the Statements page in your browser, then choose Generate Custom Report. This creates a file with your trades, deposits, withdrawals, and balances that CoinTracker can read. Set up the report using these options so you capture everything accurately. For report type, choose account. For portfolio, select all portfolios. For account type, select all accounts. Set the date to your desired year so the report covers the full period you want to import. And set the format to CSV, which is the file type CoinTracker expects. These choices ensure you include all relevant activity across your Coinbase Pro account. Click Generate to create and download the CSV file. Now return to CoinTracker. You'll be prompted to add a wallet name and attach your CSV. Give the wallet a clear, memorable name like Coinbase Pro so you can recognize it in your list later, and then attach the CSV you just downloaded. Next, select the CSV file to upload and click Import. CoinTracker will process the file and pull in your transactions. This can take a moment depending on the size of your report. If you have multiple years of activity, start by uploading the first year you're importing, and then follow CoinTracker's guidance for bringing in additional years. Avoid editing the CSV headers or columns before uploading to prevent formatting errors. Once the import completes, review your wallets and portfolio pages to confirm balances and transactions look correct. If you see warnings, check that you used account, all portfolios, all accounts, the correct year, and CSV format, then regenerate if needed. That's it. You've linked Coinbase Pro to CoinTracker with a clean CSV import. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.